The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is anticipated to maintain Samsung's trend of high prices for its larger phones, and the upcoming January release of the S24 series, led by the Ultra model, has sparked a flurry of rumors and speculations. Although there's a limited pool of leaks and insights, considering past S-series Galaxy prices and the latest hearsay suggesting the S24 range aligning with S23 prices, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might be in line with the cost of the S23 Ultra. If these rumors prove true, the starting price for the Galaxy S24 Ultra might hover around $1,199 for a base model with 256 gigs storage and 8 gigs RAM. A 512 gigs version with 12 gigs RAM could reach about $1,379, while the top-tier 1TB variant with 12 gigs RAM might hit $1,619. There's talk about a potential 2TB option, likely commanding a price comparable to the higher-end Galaxy Z Fold 5, but specifics on its cost remain elusive. Although there's a rumor suggesting the S24 Ultra might cost more than its predecessor, it's met with skepticism given Samsung's competitive pricing strategy against rivals like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. A significant price hike seems unlikely given the brand's aim to stay competitive in the smartphone market. In essence, expect the Galaxy S24 Ultra to be a premium-priced device, justifiably so given its anticipated impressive specs, new camera features, AI enhancements, and overall appeal. The impending release of the S24 series also means potential price drops for the Galaxy S23 models. If you're not fixated on having the latest features, mid-January 2024 might be a good time to snag a deal on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.